Hey, this is Calvin just for the cryptocurrency check-in. We are in the midst of a nice bull break on Bitcoin. We've been largely horizontal since Wednesday afternoon. Right around 10 p.m. last night, we had a nice bullish crossover on the stochastic, and we've been surging ever since. So we have made quite the jump. We've gone roughly 9% since this surge. And so we were looking at this rising wedge on Bitcoin, and we have broken out of that rising wedge. We've broken bullish. And so that is a great sign. Whenever you break a macro pattern like this, you want to look to increasing bull volume. And I do see that. So that is a good sign that this can be a supported breakout. We are right now playing around and testing the 55,000 mark. We broke it. We're coming back down. If we zoom in a little bit to the 30 minute, that's the 30 month, 30 minute, you could see that we are bouncing up and down off this line. The longer we stay on this $55,000 line, the better that's going to be for us, because we are trying to find resistance on this line so that we have another platform to work off of moving higher. If we look at the speed retracements, so let me go back to my hourly, we can, let's see. So speed resistance arcs, we started our move down here and we're currently up here. And so just eyeballing this, our next level is going to be roughly in the 57,000 range before potentially getting a little bit of correction down that curve. A nice healthy correction. Hopefully we don't move up too quickly. The quicker we move up, the more subject to a crash we're going to be exposing ourselves to that. So we want to hopefully find some strong support on this $55,000 line going into the weekend. That might be unlikely because there's a lot of hype on Bitcoin going into the weekend as day traders look to trade something else over the weekend, since cryptocurrency trades 24/7. And so watch Bitcoin to stay in this line, maybe move up to 57,000 before seeing a rejection. In terms of the long-term movement, so we have been in quite the bull run here. We are at the all-time high, and so we don't really have much to work off of. We did have a correction on January 8th where we dipped down, and ever since then we've been battling through resistance levels based on that correction. But right now we are at a breakout. So the best thing to do is to look at psychological resistance levels like 55,000, and then to look at Fibonacci extensions. And so if I do the Fib extension on this move right here, from the top to the bottom of this move, we can safely target 72,000. Okay, so that's the 1.618 extension. That is a nice healthy target for Bitcoin. We're not going to hit that anytime soon, hopefully. Hopefully that takes the next month or so, if not longer. But 72,000 is a nice target at this point. If we were to do the entire move of the market since October, so from the top to the bottom, we have a target of over 80,000. But realistically, this move is the one that we should be looking at, and that's from the bottom of this correction on January 27th, 28th until now. And so $72,000 is a nice target for us. Looking at ETH is hitting the top of its channel. The channel has been working for us for quite some time. We broke into this channel on November 13th, and we hit the bottom of it on December 24th, and then we found footing in this channel ever since. And so we are hitting the top of its channel with Bitcoin's move. If we really zoom in to the hourly, we could really see we are hitting this channel right here, and we're getting some rejection. I would expect Ether to keep on riding up here, maybe going back a little bit deeper into the bottom of this channel, but I think we can expect to find support along the bottom of the channel. There's no reason why we shouldn't. So that's the projection for Ether. That's the projection for Bitcoin. If you're making trades, make sure you have your stops set, because this market is overextended and we do need a correction. We haven't seen weekly correction on any of these coins for quite some time. So that is something to watch out for. Trade safely.